Welcome to Medswift channel. My name is Michael. Today we'll be talking about carbon dioxide fire extinguisher. CO2 fire extinguisher has carbon dioxide gas as the content stored under high pressure. This extinguisher is best for Class C fires or electrical fires. A CO2 fire extinguisher has the following features. It has a safety pin, it has a safety seal, it has a discharge, but as you can note, it is a bit different from the other discharge of the different types of fire extinguishers we discussed earlier. This extinguisher has the color code on the body of the extinguisher. It has instructions on how to operate. All extinguishers, as we said, are supposed to be inspected. It indicates the class of fire it can extinguish. One caution about fire extinguisher called the CO2 fire extinguisher is that it is supposed to be used or operated under very great care. It has a handle indicated where to handle when you're operating it. Why? Because it condenses along the pipe, and so if you mishandle it, it might cause a frostbite. Remember, it's a high-powered fire extinguisher, so please, when operating it, be cautious. CO2 fire extinguishers are best for Class C fires. Thank you for watching.